I just woke up this morning. I'm finna do openings, like opening my slime and seeing what's in the inside. Cause my mom put like surprises in it, and I don't know what they are. I only had 3 slimes. And before we get right into this video, smash that like button, comment down below, and subscribe. So, I have 1 slime, me, 2 slime, me, and 3. And you might be wondering where you can get this pool and these cups at. You can get these cups from McDonald's. And you can get this. I don't know where my neighbors got it from, because my neighbors are the one who gave it to us. So I will ask them, and I will tell you maybe in my next video. So yeah. So first I want to be doing my pink. I want to do the penguin. They're so cute. I'm going to set the surprises up here. And I believe she said some are like, I don't know. So I'm opening. Yes, I just cut on my mic. So, ooh, a Shopkin. You guys tell me what these Shopkins are. I don't know what these are. Yes, I'm watching a movie. It's Respucia. And this one, I made all these slimes yesterday. And comment down below this one. The only reason this one is like so sticky, look. That's why that one's so sticky, is because like I mixed some water up with some gel, and then I poured glue in it, because that's how you make the slime. The slime that I made, it might not be the way y'all make it, but that's the way I made it. And I like mixed it with gel and stuff, and then it became sticky, but it's like slime still. So the way I made it was with sodium, water, glue, warm water to put the sodium in because it have to dissolve, and some warm water for the glue, because you have to mix the glue in it and then pour the sodium in there slowly, but like that. And then that's how I made it, and I made it all 3 of these yesterday. So yeah, and this is my next one. So I have this bitty old cup. It has my slime on it.
You know a lot of you. Hell with that. I don't see Norman. Anybody see Norman? Who? What's it?
Trying to get this off my finger. It's like slime. You can do a prank with this slime, but y'all don't have it. Sorry. I'm just playing. I would try to sell it, but nobody wants a sticky, nasty old slime. So I have this cup, and then I have a little girl I can see. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was a freak like me? Don't y'all? If y'all ever watched a real movie, this movie right here. If you ever watched this movie, that's where that song came out from. that I was just singing, Don't You Wish Your Girlfriend Was Hot Like Me? Don't You Wish Your Girlfriend Was a Freak Like Me? See, that's what the back look like, and that's the front look like. It's the movie, the name is Norbit. Okay, so I'm trying to get this little girl out of here. She's very sticky. So, you see the little girl. She's kind of coming off. It's kind of coming, kind of coming off. Okay, that's it for that one. Yes, they had a car wreck. So I have this one. Comment down below. I don't know none of these names. Or this one. Get this. Or this one. So I love you guys. Make sure you comment and smash that like button and subscribe. I love you guys. And I'll just do another video as soon as I can. Peace.